Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack daily test, that is, matrix, sum of row and column. Variable declarations. Int n declares an integer variable to store the size of the matrix. Int mat n declares a 2D array to store the matrix elements. Int x declares an integer variable to store the value of x. Int r equals 0, c equals 0, initializes two variables to store the sum of the x row, r, and the sum of the x column, c. Input. Scanf, %d, and n, reads the size of the matrix from the standard input. Nested loop to read the matrix elements. Scanf, %d, and mat, I, j, reads each element of the matrix from the standard input. Scanf, %d, and x, reads the value of x from the standard input. Sum calculation. Loop to calculate the sum of the x row and the sum of the x column. R plus equals mat, x, 1, I, adds each element of the x row to the variable r. C plus equals mat, I, x, 1, adds each element of the x column to the variable c. Output. Finally, the program prints the calculated sums of the x row and x column to the standard output. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for watching.